Let's see how to set up the Cudy AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi extender. There is all the information about Wi-Fi extenders. This is my main Wi-Fi router. Now I want to connect the Wi-Fi extender to the main router network. Now go to Mobile Wi-Fi settings. This is the main Wi-Fi network. Now connect your mobile phone to the Wi-Fi extender network. Then go to Google Chrome browser. Then go to cudy.net. Now type the password admin. Searching for network now. Now select your network from the network list. Now enter your Wi-Fi password. Now the Wi-Fi extender is connected to the main Wi-Fi router network. This is the name of your extender's Wi-Fi network. Now go back to the mobile Wi-Fi network and connect to the new network. Now connect your mobile phone to the Wi-Fi extender network. Now Wi-Fi is connected and working.